Hi friends, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use Voltas Beko dishwasher. So these are in two sizes. This is the small size which we are using. So here there are two racks. In the first rack we can keep spoons, cups, small bowls, tea strainers, and in the second rack we can keep all the big vessels like kadai, pan, cooker, mixer grinder. So this is the salt container where we need to fill the dishwasher salt inside. This will be filled monthly once or twice. To get the indications, we have to fill the salt inside. So there are two spray arms, one here on the top and one at the bottom. So this is the filter assembly where all the waste gets accumulated here. There are two pipes connected to this dishwasher. One is the freshwater pipe and this one is the drain pipe. So this is for the main wash cycle and this one is for pre-wash cycle. This rinse aid dispenser should be filled in only when it shows the indicator. Now it is dark here, so it need not be filled. So now let's fill in the dishwasher with vessels. So I'm pulling out the first rack. These are the vessels which I'm going to keep inside the dishwasher. Usually before washing the vessels, we show it under running water to avoid dryness of the vessels. So likewise, before keeping inside the dishwasher, just show it under the tap. Placement of vessels is very important while keeping inside the dishwasher. It should not disturb the other vessels. Now I'm going to keep the cups in the cups rack. Now the spoons goes to the spoons rack. I'm keeping this peeler, knife and tea strainer too in this rack. All these vessels including the spoons should face downside. Now I'm keeping these small bowls here. So we have to make sure that it doesn't hit the top. Egg pan. Milk vessel. Cooker. Milk vessel. Tea vessel. The vessels should not touch the blades, the top blade as well as the bottom blade. So let's fill in the dishwasher powder here. This is for pre-wash and this is for main wash. I'm keeping it in the intensive mode. Intensive is for 2 hours 40 minutes. Now let's see how well the dishwasher has cleaned the vessels. Mixer jar, the milk vessel, This was that tea vessel. The second milk vessel. Mixer jar lid. This tumbler is not washed so very well. So sometimes it happens for one or two vessels. Let's see the teacups. And clean. Tea strainer. Knife. Peeler. Spoons. So these many vessels it has cleaned in one wash, which is really a very good thing. It really lessens the burden of a day. So overall, this dishwasher is a very good home appliance. It gives 95% possibility for a perfect clean vessel, and the remaining 5% may be because of improper placement of vessels or vessels which have tough stains in it, which is hard to remove for the first time. But yet it makes the work easier for us. We don't have to sit with on that tough stains for a very long time. So hope this video was very helpful and useful for you all. So thanks for watching.